I hear alone time, alone time, alone time. We all crave a moment, a space so sublime. A place where it's just you, me, and the air. No one calling, no one asking, just silence to share. A moment to breathe, to think and unwind. My thoughts are at peace, my heart is aligned. The sunsets glow, the cars in the street, people rushing home, to rest, to retreat. They long for a moment, their own little space. A touch of alone time, a quiet embrace. Now there's music, soft and divine. The Cavemen, Odeal, Bien, and CKay combine. Whiskey and Brent fires play in the air, swaying with rhythms, lost without care. In their melodies I find my release, getting lost in the words, feeling peace. In my own world, all by myself. A place where my soul can just sit on the shelf. Is this what they mean when they say alone time? A moment of bliss in rhythm and rhyme.